Hello friends, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of bean from your home, grass and your farm. Major beans are also effective for your flowers and your grass and also harmful for us. But you don't need to still worry about that. This remedy will help you how to get rid of bean from your home. To make this spray we will need few ingredients such as witchel hazel. Witchel hazel is a main ingredient is used as a spray because witchel hazel along with its anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil being on to avoid the smell of peppermint oil in the areas and plants they will hang around. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a properties and antibacterial properties. The repellent of bean. Now we can make this spray. Simply just add half cup of witchel hazel into the bowl. Now we just add 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil into the mixture. Now we just add 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the spray is ready to use.